Welcome to Byrna's Newsdesk, a segment designed to keep you informed about how Byrna is making an impact all over the globe. This last week, several representatives from the Brazilian government, including leaders from their federal police force, toured Byrna's manufacturing facility in Fort Wayne, Indiana, to learn more about Byrna's products. The Brazilian government is currently exploring options to arm a selection of both federal and local police and military with less lethal options. Byrna is proud to announce that after extensive third-party lab testing, our 12-gauge kinetic rounds were empirically tested against NATO's AEP 99 standards. This Thorax Injury Risk Assessment quantifies the risk of rib and sternal fractures due to impact in both experimental and numerical evaluations. This testing concluded that Byrna's 12-gauge kinetic rounds are extremely unlikely to cause serious bodily injury or death, even fired at ranges inside of 5 feet. And finally, Byrna's 12-gauge kinetic rounds have been featured in the July issue of Firearms news magazine. The 6-page review details not only how the round is made, but also the author's experience getting to shoot it in various scenarios. The author also discusses the practical uses and effects of the round in his write-up. Links to these full videos and articles can be found in the description below, and I encourage everyone to read and watch these videos to see just how Byrna is making an impact to ensure that everyone is prepared to defend.